Honey, what are you doing?
I am writing the shopping list.
Put 10 boxes of cookies on the list.
No, we are eating healthy this week.
Cookies are made from wheat. Wheat is a plant.
That does not make it a salad.
It is a baked salad.
You are crazy. We need green vegetables.
Okay, buy green jelly beans.
Jelly beans are candy.
But they are green. Green means healthy.
You are being very annoying today.
Impossible. A handsome genius man like me can only be charming.
A genius who cannot find his own shoes.
I do not need shoes to walk into your heart.
Stop saying silly things.
You are smiling. I can see it.
I am not smiling. I am angry.
You are very beautiful when you are angry.
That will not get you any cookies.
It was worth a try.
What fruit do you want?
I want apples.
Apples are a very good choice.
Yes, because apple pie is my favorite.
We are not making apple pie.
Pie is just warm fruit wearing a blanket.
No pie. Only fresh apples.
What if I eat a cookie with my eyes closed?
Why would you do that?
If I do not see the sugar, it is not real.
Go sit on the sofa before I call divorce lawyer.
Okay. I'm going jogging. Wanna join?
Sure, I will. Jogging is good for health.
Should I bring water for jogging?
Yes. Bring 2 bottles.
Can I put juice in one bottle?
No. Water only.
What if the water gets bored?
Water does not get bored.
You do not know that.
Just find your shoes.
I found one.
How far should we jog today?
To the bakery and back.
There is no bakery on our route.
There can be.
No.
What if we accidentally go that way?
We will not accidentally go that way.
My legs sometimes make their own decisions.
Control your legs.
I am trying. They like cookies.
Everything with you is cookies.
Cookies never argue with me.
Keep talking, and I will hide them all.
You would not do that.
Try me.
I love you very much.